So if you hear noise in the background, that is my son. He's playing in his exo saucer, so just ignore the external noise. You're watching mommy work. Are you watching mommy work? Yes, yes. Hey, what's up y'all? It's me, Jennie here. So today, I'm just playing around. I have noticed, and a lot of people do this, they use two mascaras. They use a volumizing mascara and a lengthening mascara, and I've always wondered, do both work when combined together and not turn clumpy? So I thought I'd give it a try. Anyways, if you want to see if both work in combination with each other, please keep watching. So I have already put on my makeup. As you can see, I've curled my eyelashes. My left eye will be the mascara that I usually use, which is the Perversion Mascara by Urban Decay. It's strictly volume, so I will put that on. I'll do about 6 coats. And then the mascara that I will use on my right eye in combination with the volumizing mascara is the Maybelline Lash Stiletto. It is known to lengthen lashes, and I'll use 3 coats of each. So give me 1 second, just let me put 6 coats of volumizing mascara on my left eye. Okay, so I don't know if you can see it. I'm just looking in my viewfinder, but this is 6 coats of volumizing mascara. I will put 3 coats of the volumizing mascara on my right eye, followed by 3 coats of lengthening mascara on my right eye as well, and we'll see if it works. Okay, so right now I've got 3 coats of mascara on my right eye, which is the volumizing mascara. Now I'm putting the lengthening mascara on. Okay, so I experimented, and this is the volumizing side, and this is volume and lengthening. Please don't mind the awful application. Did it work? I actually think it did. Like, the lengthening part worked on the ends of my eyelashes, and it did volumize. So yeah, using 2 mascaras work. And there you have it. Thank you very much for being part of my experiment and satisfying this question I had in my head for like ages. Anyways, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, Jennie with an IE. Or you can catch me on all my, you can catch me on my last video, which is right here. Or you can catch me on, what is wrong with me? Or you can click on my face right here to subscribe. Thank you so very much for watching. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.